Hello friends, in this video we will write a program to generate a beep sound. So for this we will use the WinSound module. So WinSound module will provide the access to play the sound. So for this we need to import WinSound. So let us check what are the methods or functions there in the WinSound. So if I use the help, so print help of WinSound, we just pass WinSound. So we can check what are the methods inside the WinSound. So this help. So when I run it, we get squeezed text 63 lines. So if we click on it, it will get expanded, and in this we have the beep. This is the WinSound module, and in this we have many functions like beep, message beep, and play sound. So we need beep, this one. So we need this beep function. So the beep function will accept the arguments like frequency and a duration, how long it should play, and the frequency of the sound will be measured in the hertz, and the frequency ranges from 37 to 32,767 hertz. So we just write a program to generate the beep. So for this we need to have a frequency. First of all, we declare a variable frequency. So frequency is equals to, let us assign like 500, and we will take a variable like duration. Duration is how long the beep sound should be played, and for this we will assign like 1000. So now we will just play the sound. For this WinSound dot, so in this we access the beep method. So in this beep function we just pass like frequency and duration, comma separated values, and when we run it we can listen the beep sound. So now if I change the frequency like 1000, so this is how it hears. So here the frequency is measured in hertz and the duration is measured in milliseconds. So the 1000 is nothing but 1 second. 1000 milliseconds is nothing but 1 second. So we can change the duration like 5000 is nothing but 5 seconds. So when I run it, we get the beep of 5 seconds. And suppose if you want to change the sound linearly, we can use for loop or while loop. Like let us take while loop, while. So we initialize the loop as always true. So whenever we assign the while loop with true, so this loop will run infinitely until it becomes false, or until we break the loop. So let us consider the while loop is running infinite, that is true for all time, and we take a variable like I or frequency. Let us take a variable like freq, that is equals to, we take it by 800, so 800 hertz. So in this we just type WinSound dot beep of, so we need to pass the frequency value, that is freq. So we passed the 500 into the beep, and the duration for it we assign like 1000, that is 1000 milliseconds equals to 1 second, and we just increase the value of frequency for each iteration. So that is equal to like frequency plus is equals to 100. So this is equals to, so we can write like this, or we can just like frequency equal to frequency plus 100. So both are same, and next that's it. So when we run it, we get the beep frequency from lower beep to higher beep, that is there will be increase in the frequency by 100 each iteration, it is increased by 100 hertz. So when we run it, So here we can listen the beep sound, which is increasing gradually. So I kill this program right now, and if you want to check what is the frequency, at which frequency we are, so we just print the frequency. So whenever we print this frequency, so each time the frequency we listen will be passed through, we just print the frequency value. So you can take the units like hertz, hz. So when we run it, you can see the at what frequency you can listen at each iteration. So this is at 600 hertz. It starts from 600 and increase 100 gradually. It goes on increase. Suppose if you want to break this iteration, so it's going on infinite, so until we cannot stop it. So if we want to break it at a particular frequency, so we can use if statement. So in this we pass the condition like if frequency is equals to like 5000 hertz, so just break, we just break the while loop, so it stops the iterations. So when I run it, the beep will start and the iterations also go on increasing until the 5000. So it reached 2500. So once it reaches the 5000 hertz, it just get break from the loop. So here we reached the 5000 hertz and it got stopped. And in this, instead of importing like winsound.beep, we can just import the beep from the winsound. That is like we are importing here total methods, that is total functions inside the winsound module. So if you just want to import the beep function, so we just from winsound import beep. So if we import the beep separately, so there is no need to use the winsound.beep. So if we just remove winsound, we can just run like beep of frequency comma duration. So when we run it, it will also generate the same beep. So the just importing will be different. So we just imported the beep, that's it. So that's it for the video. This is how we can play the beep sound using the winsound module. Thank you.